My name is Perez John. Oh, so I appreciate Detroit Training Center giving us the opportunity. The classes went real smooth. I finished them, and John and the rest of the crew have been helping me get interviews, and they've been working with me. In fact, I'm about to go to an interview now. They told me how to get ready, prepared, I'm dressed, and I'm excited about the opportunity to get a job.
Who's the interview with?
Detroit Water and Sewage Department.
Oh, wow, that's a big deal, man.
Started off by thanking all in attendance, the seekers of investment back with interest and then some. The tales of grandeur from residual income. Ain't got a lot of money, I'm just trying to get some. Caught between a sure thing and a ballpark estimate. Still gotta watch out for the snake, get a shedded skin. Keep my page public, let them see what I'm up to. From your daily broadcast, sorry to interrupt you. From where the good dying killers live for eternity, we learn to manifest life purposely, becoming a big fish in a small pond they can't control. I'm Aquaman. Money don't mean a thing if you ain't got a plan. You sticking.
See,
I have a lot of repairs I need to do around the house.
all right, and that's simple enough.
The courses offered cover the repairs I need to make, and it gives me the confidence to do them.
There it is. I appreciate your time, Mr. Christopher.
Great day.
Swish, swish, mulling online, and there's nothing but net, nothing but net, nothing but net, and there's nothing but net. Swish, swish, I need the clutches to flip, and there's nothing but net. Swish, swish, I shoot my shot and it's wet, and there's nothing but net. Swish, swish, you just mulling online, and there's nothing but net. Dive ahead, man.
My name is Wanda Jan Hill, and I'm a resident of the city of Detroit. I think this is a very good class to take for those that may decide to refinish their floors or may not. At least if you do get a professional, you know what to expect.
Definitely, I appreciate your time.
And you know what, I believe it. Whoa, and they try to slide on me like a flip-flop. Just claiming they got the bag, but all they flip-flop. Smoke so many, you know my system is a pigsty. That's a long-term headache watching you having them kids by. I'm so hood like corned beef, egg rolls. Before you make the check on, so step with the drive.
We did I did the residential builder class with instructor Ed. Overall, the class was very informational. A lot of things that, I took the class also online. So comparing from online to in class, it was definitely different, more informational. I love the way he illustrated the things in the book through story or telling about his prior experience. It helped us to remember terms and key things that needed for the test.
All right, appreciate your time.
Be the MVP in the mirror and the practicing my victory speech till the day I die.